Dan here with the DC Outdoors YouTube channel. We haven't been to our camp since November. That means our trailer has been sitting out all winter with no one checking on it. Fallen trees, water damage, mice, squirrels, and bugs could all be real issues. Today we're headed out to check on it and to spend the night there. Worst case, we could be cleaning or fixing things instead of camping, and we have no idea what we're headed into. Every year we shut this place down for winter. We pull a bunch of stuff, bedding, food, anything that could freeze or attract animals. But even when you do everything right, stuff can still go wrong. The first trip out is a nervous one. Let's see if we got any bugs or anything in here. Nope, just regular old dirt from earlier. Looks okay, I think. Ooh, got flies everywhere. Got a lot of dead flies. I don't really know why, but that's kind of gross. Nothing got touched. It doesn't look like the soap got touched.
The soap here is gold bite marks.
Really? No, that just broke off from last time.
Okay.
Yeah, you're good. I just see gross flies. I don't know why there's so many flies.
Do you want me to sweep it up?
Yeah, we'll have to sweep it up. This is kind of janky, but I think it's still sealed. It's just... Yeah.
Lots of dead flies.
Yeah.
There's one up here.
Yeah, gross. Okay, well, I think it's just flies. Bugs. Mice would eat that. Yeah. Anything in here? Oh, got some toothbrushes we forgot. It's a nice bonus. I don't see anything in here too concerning. Good. This was ripped before. No, nothing in there. No mouse poop. That one looks good. Paper plates and stuff looks good. Looks okay. Okay, nothing in there. No, paper plates, regular stuff, no mouse poop. Good. After checking the exterior, all the cabinets and external cubbies for bugs, rodents, or water damage, I reinstall the battery and plug in the trailer. Next, we pack in bedding, towels, cleaning supplies, toiletries, and electronics that we removed over the winter. Alright, one bed made. Just need to put the mints on the pillows and we're set for sleep. With one bed made, I roll out our awning to check for damage. Now, with most of the work done for tonight, I can shift my attention to relaxing. Where's your fire materials?
There's sticks.
We got some sticks.
A couple logs over there and a little bit of kindling.
These ones are good. Those are from last year, so they're probably real dry. Oh, here's a couple more too. Look. Look at these ones. Oh my gosh, these are good. Okay. Now put more sticks on top. Oops. First campfire of the year, boy. Cheers. We spend the evening around the fire, catching up with some of our neighbors in the RV park and having a few hot dogs. I have a few more tasks ahead of me on my to-do list this morning, including organizing the cupboards, putting things away, making the last 2 bunks, and giving the floor a good final sweep. Next, I use a ladder to check the trailer roof, and then I clean off the debris using a leaf blower. Did some yard work this morning. We cleaned off all of the pine needles and leaves around the fire area, so I'm pretty happy with that. And then we cleaned up the roof stuff and then set up the deck. So happy with the work that we did. I put the kid to work. He's cooking Spam on the griddle, and we enjoy that with some oatmeal for breakfast. All right, guys. Well, hey, thanks for coming along with us on this one. Mission accomplished. First mission, of course, was to check on the place. I mean, we hadn't been up there in 6 months. You know, those fears of damage, of bugs, of rodents are absolutely real. So what a relief to not have any significant issues or problems. Mission number 2, of course, was to bring back some of the things that we brought home for the wintertime, some of those blankets, some of the spices and the toiletries, things like that, that we didn't want to freeze or attract bugs and rodents over winter. So nice to get that out of the way. It helps just by giving us a little head start, a little jump. So next time when we get out there, we can focus more on just camping, enjoying the place, and less on doing those tasks like organizing, making beds, cleaning up, stuff like that, of course. But yeah, as always, if you made it this far, I want to thank you so much for watching. And if this was your first time here and you like outdoor adventure videos, gear reviews, and other outdoor related stuff, please hit that like, that subscribe, and the bell notification button so you don't miss anything. And until next time, we'll see you outdoors. If you liked this video, make sure you check out the DC Outdoors YouTube channel where we have more videos just like this. And if you want to see our newest adventure, make sure you subscribe so you get notifications.